In that next point, multiplication of decimal fraction. See, first example is given, multiply 4.3 multiply by 5. Now see, there are three methods. You can solve by any method of this problem, whichever is easier for you. Now see, first method, where our question is 4.3 multiply by 5. Now first, this 4.3, this is a decimal fraction. You write down in a common fraction. Means in common fractions means 43 upon 10. You have already learned in previous video how to write the decimal fraction into a common fraction. Multiply by 5 upon 1 means 5 as it is. Just you write this 4.3 into a common fraction means 43 upon 10. Now do the multiplication of numerator and denominator. 43 multiplied by 5, 215 upon 10 means 43.5 multiplied by 4.3 multiplied by 5 is equal to 215 upon 10. Now this is a common fraction. You write in a decimal fraction means 221.5. How to give this decimal point? How many zero is there? 1. Means you can start from right side. From leave one number and after that give the decimal point. Now second method. For this 43, this 4 write down here and this 0.3. How to write this 0.3? See, 4 we have right here, 4.3. In that 4 we have right here. And now what is remaining? 0.3. How to write this 0.3? 3 upon 10. Multiply by 5. 5 4s are 20. 5 3s are 15 and this 10 as it is. Means in this column 15, write this 15 upon 10 in a common fraction. Means 1.5, this 20 as it is. Now add this 20 plus 1.5. The addition is 21.5. You know na how to add this number 20.0 and this is 1.5. 5.0 plus 1 and 2 as it is means 21.5. And in third method, the simple multiplication. 4.3 multiplied by 5. You just write down 43 multiplied by 5. Give the decimal point after solving the problem. 43 multiplied by 5, answer is 215. Answer is 215, but how many decimal point here? From right side only one place, means give here point, means 21.5. One word problem is given. The rate of petrol is rupees 62.32 per liter. Seema wants to fill 2.5 liter of petrol in her scooter. How many rupees will she to pay? Which operation is required here? Multiplication. Multiplication means 62.32. This is the rate of petrol. Multiply by how much petrol she wants to fill in her scooty. 2.5. 2.5 means 2.5. 62.32 multiplied by 2.5. Now this 62.32 write in a common fraction and this 2.5 in a common fraction. Do the multiplication of numerator and denominator. How much zeros is there? 1 2 3. 1 2 3. Now this is your answer. Now start from right side. 1 2 3. After 3 places you give the decimal point. Means your answer is 155.800. And second method is do the simple multiplication and after give the decimal point. Next, division of a decimal fraction. 66.2 divided by 2. Now first convert this decimal fraction into common fraction, means 62 upon 10 divided by 2 upon 1. Now in previous chapter we have learned the reciprocal or multiplicative inverse. Reciprocal or multiplicative inverse means for this number 2 upon 1. Write down the numerator in denominator and denominator in numerator. You have already learned about the multiplicative inverse. Now write down the multiplicative inverse of 2 upon 1. Means this sign will be multiply. Means 62 upon 10 as it is. Divide sign changes into multiplication and write down the multiplicative inverse of 2 upon 1 is 1 upon 2. Now simple multiplication. 62 multiplied by 1, 62. Here printing mistake is there. Okay. Means 62 upon, sorry, they have already wrote the direct. 10 to the 20. Now here I am dividing by 2. Means 10 is here and 2 3 is 6, 2 1 is 2 and means 31 upon 10. Now they have already given the next step. Means 31 upon 10 in a decimal form 3.1. Next 3.4 divided by 5. 34 upon 10 divided by 5 upon 1. 34 upon 10 reciprocal or multiplicative inverse of 5 upon 1 is 1 upon 5. Now do the multiplication of numerator and multiplication of denominator. Then you will get the final answer 0.68. Similarly for the next example. See here also 4.8 means 48 upon 10 divided by 12 upon 10. Now write down the reciprocal inverse of 12 upon 10 means 48 upon 10 multiply by 10 upon 12. Now this 10 will get cancelled. 12 ones are 12, 12 fours are 48 means your answer is 4.
Mommy. Mommy.